I'm just gonna call this one the time that Christina goes off on a rant about who you should be listening to for organizing advice. So in my Facebook feed lately, I've been seeing a lot of people claiming that they can help to get you organized. And I guess because I'm a professional organizer, Facebook has thought that I have an interest in organizing and all things organizing, which I do. But I gotta tell you, I'm really bothered by some of the things that I am seeing, because I see people who are saying, forget what the experts say. Do it my way. This is what's worked in my home. And the problem with that is, what works in one person's home cannot always work in other people's homes. And that's the problem, that people go to non-experts or people who think that they are really good at keeping themselves organized, so they must be able to do this for others, when really that's not the case. When you're looking for organizing advice, you need to be taking it from somebody who has worked with dozens and dozens of clients in different situations so that they know what works. I can't tell you the difference between a professional and a non-professional, even in something just like organizing, is really huge. So I encourage you to beware the non-expert and work with someone who actually knows what they're talking about, because they've done the work. They've seen the different homes, they've seen how different people live, and they know what actually will work for you and not just them. So that about wraps up this little rant, and I hope to see you back here for my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.